Hello. In this video, we will be adding a simple title screen. Okay, let's create a new user interface scene. We're going to rename it to main. Save it under scenes and UI. Let's add a label to the scene. Set the anchor preset to full rect. Set horizontal and vertical alignment to center. Type goals into the text property for the label. Now let's scroll down to theme overrides and fonts. Click in the empty area and click load. Navigate to assets and fonts and select the tiny Unicode true text font. Scroll down to font sizes and set the font size to 80. Our label looks pretty good, but something feels off. It's time to turn out the lights. Navigate to project settings, and then rendering environment. We will now change the default clear color to black. And boom, now our game looks more sophisticated. Let's add a button to main. Rename it to play button. And set flat to true. Make sure the layout mode property is set to position. Under transform and size, set X to 180 and Y to 48. For the position, set Y to 208. Let's go ahead and set the custom font. We will go through the same process. And set the font size to 48. Now let's add some text to our button. Type in play in all caps. Cool. Now we must attach a script to main. To save it, let's go to scripts. Create a new folder called UI. Select open and select create to save it there. Clear the default functions and save. Okay, now let's select our button node, and we will head to the node tab and connect the pressed signal to our script. Let's add some code that will take us to the first level when the button is pressed. Let's type getTree.change scene to file. Scroll down and select level1.tscn. Before testing, let's change the main scene of our game. As a reminder, to do this, we will right-click on our main.tscn and select Set as Main Scene. Now when we play the game, we will start in our main menu scene. Let's test the button, and it takes us to our first level. Sweet. Now we have a very simple main menu that can be expanded upon with the settings button or whatever else you would like to add to it. That's it for this series. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you learned something from this introductory tutorial. It will not be the last, friends. I plan on making a video to explain the code in this series in a bit more depth, and then it's off to a new series. I will continue to focus on mobile games for Android, but I will most likely keep the games relatively simple like this one. Thanks for watching, friends. See ya.